Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're going to change font size and style starting now. First, select the cell range you want to update so you don't waste time toggling single cells. Then move to the Home tab and focus on the font group. Choose a font family and pick a size. Click bold or italic as needed. If you prefer a dialog, press Ctrl+1 to open format cells and land directly on the Font tab. Doing this ensures precise control and prevents accidental changes elsewhere. Once you've opened the font controls, pick the font name to set the style and choose a numeric size for readability. Use the increase/decrease buttons for quick nudges. Open format cells for extra options. Underline styles, color choices, strike-through, superscript, or subscript for precise formatting. To apply changes broadly, press the Select All button or use Format Painter to copy formatting across ranges. Make sure to preview on a few rows, so spacing and finish by saving your workbook. And if you want consistency, create or apply a cell style or theme so fonts remain uniform across sheets. To make a new default, go to File, Right Arrow Options, Right Arrow General, and set the default font for new workbooks. Restart Excel to apply. If a change doesn't take effect, make sure the font is installed on your system, the worksheet isn't protected or shared, and the file isn't in compatibility mode. That single check usually fixes stubborn font issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.